I want you to now break into groups of 3. Okay, break into groups of 3. And we want to real briefly give you an opportunity to code one more time. Okay? So somebody just gave me this idea, so I'm doing this on the fly. So what I want you to do is break into groups of 3, and then each person go through the sequence as a parent, child, coder. And so everybody gets to code one sequence, okay? I think y'all have enough room left on your PDI code sheets to do that. So some of y'all may need, if you don't, I think we have extras. So real quickly, break into 3s. It's kind of like a big game of Mingle. This is going to be a fierce competition. But real quickly, break into groups of 3s. Parent, child, coder. There we go. And don't take more than a minute a sequence.
Was there more water over there?
Yes.